Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install a hazard light switch on your Honda Activa. You can buy this hazard switch for under 100 rupees. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully remove the indicator switch. Install the new indicator hazard switch back to the plug. To activate the hazard lights, first push the button to the left and then to the right. And that's it. Your Honda Activa now has a fully working hazard light system. If you found this helpful, like, follow and please subscribe for more bike DIY videos.